students. So today in this lecture I am going to discuss about the different kinds of brackets. Already in my last lecture I have discussed exercise 3.1. We have started the topic the topic was simplification of numerical expression. So here I am going to start with kinds of brackets. There are 4 types of brackets. First one is thin column, second is round bracket, third is curly bracket, fourth is square bracket. And I have written it in an order. That means first of all, if thin column bracket and round bracket both are present in an expression, you have to go to thin column first. That means first of all you have to solve the thin column bracket, then round bracket, then curly bracket, then square bracket. So this is the order you have to follow. See, there are different names in book also, but I have written the simple name which you can easily remember. For example, the square bracket, there are different names of square bracket and there are different names for round bracket, but this is the simplest one, you can easily remember it. That's why I have written these names. So see, first of all come to thin column or line bracket. So how it is written in an expression. See here, thin column is written above 18 plus 14. So what is the meaning of this? See here, what are the operations given? First operation is addition, second operation is division. So according to the rule, according to the order of operation, you know you have to go to the division first. Means we have to divide first. But here above that operations, what we have? Above that operations we have brackets. So here see, the bracket is present and this bracket is called what? Thin column bracket. That means you have to solve this one first. So thin column bracket should be solved at first. So you have to add 18 plus 18 and 14. So 18 and 14 will be what? 18 and 14 will be 32. Then 32 divide by 2. So thin column will go because we have solved it. We have simplified it. So answer is 32. Then 32 will be divided by what? 2. So it will be what? The answer is 16. So you have to check for the bracket. First of all, remember you have to solve the bracket. Then you have to go for the operations. That means the 4 operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So first of all, what you have to do? You have to solve the bracket first. So our new order of you can say operation, order of operation will become what? BODMAS. BODMAS. Meaning of B is what? Bracket. Okay. So I am writing it. So see, I have written the order. You can also write in your copy like this. B for bracket. So in bracket the first priority goes to the thin column. Second priority goes to the round bracket. Third will be curly bracket. Fourth will be square bracket. Okay. The last priority go to the square bracket. That means if square bracket is present, you have to solve that bracket last. At last you have to solve this bracket. Next, already you know this. D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. Okay. So like this you have to go with the priorities. Okay. You have to see. So next I am going to discuss exercise 3.2. So by that way you can also do questions. So see exercise 3.2, question number 1. So question number B, I have not done question number A because there is no bracket present. So I have done question number B. See, this is the expression, mathematical expression. So here there are 3 brackets: round bracket, curly bracket and square bracket. So thin column is not here. So that means after thin column, what we have the order? Next order, in order second we have what? Round bracket. So round bracket should be solved first. So in round bracket again we have another expression. So this expression we have to solve first. But in this expression, see what are the operations of plus, minus, into. So there are 4 operations present. So first of all you have to solve off. That means 9 of 6. That means 9 into 6. 9 6 are 54. So this is 54. So this is solved. 54 plus 1 minus 13 into 4. So in one step I have solved only one operation, that is off. In second, again we have to check for the priority which will go first. So plus minus into. So all of you know, now you have to solve into, that means multiplication. So 13 fours are is what? For 52. Next see, we have addition and subtraction. That means we have to go for addition. So this is 55 minus 52. So now you have to solve this bracket. 55 minus 52 will be what? 3. So finally we got only one value. So now you have to eliminate that bracket. So no need to write the round bracket. So round bracket will go. So now you have to write only 3. So outside it is minus, so you have to write minus. Now see, you have what? Curly bracket. Now you have to go for curly bracket. You have to solve curly bracket. So in curly bracket again we have an expression. So in this expression, addition is also there, subtraction is also there. So you have to add 8 plus 3 will be what? 11. 11 minus 3. So in curly bracket is 11 minus 3 is present. So 11 minus 3 will be what? 8. So outside it is minus and it is 12. So 12 minus 8, curly bracket will go because that number we got as 8. 11 minus 3 we got 8. So next we have to solve square bracket, that is the last bracket. So 12 minus 8 is 4. So outside it was 7. So 7 plus 4 it is what? 11. So final answer is what? 11. So next question I am going to do number F. So next is number F. See, this is the question. So see here, there are two brackets and the two brackets are differently placed. That is, one bracket is not inside another bracket. Like in previous question, we have one bracket inside the other bracket, again another bracket is inside that bracket. But here the two brackets are separated by which symbol? Division symbol. So we can solve the two brackets in one step. Means in each step you can solve the two brackets. No need to solve only one bracket. If you solve only this bracket and if you left this bracket like this only, then the steps you will do, you have to do more steps. Steps will go on like this. So you have to solve simultaneously, means for these two brackets are separated by division symbol. So solve this bracket also, and side by side you have to solve this bracket also, because the brackets are separated by an operation. Okay, like in previous question, you can see the difference between the two questions. In previous question, what we have one bracket inside another bracket. So the two questions are different. That's why I am doing this question. Okay, so see here, first of all, see in this bracket you can solve 18 minus 14. Why? Because above 18 minus 14 what we have? We have win column, and win column should be solved first. So 18 minus 14 you can solve here only. So here you can solve 18 minus 14 by this way. You will get what? 18 minus 14 will be what? 4. So this will be 4. Next bracket, see in this bracket, first of all you have to solve what? This bracket, because this is round bracket, you have to solve the round bracket. So 2 into 7 will be what? 14. So only this I have solved, not this one. I have solved this one because this is the round bracket. Round bracket should be solved first after win column. As there is no win column here, so second priority goes to the round bracket. So this is this much. Next comes the third step. Now in third step you can write 34 minus 4 as what? 30. Directly you can write here 30. Okay. So 30. So see here, bracket is this number already we have solved this. This comes as 30. So no need to write the curly bracket. You can simply write multiply. Okay. One more thing is there. If curly bracket like this is there and before this one number is written, so what is the meaning of this? Means what operation is present between both the number? this is multiply. Okay, this is not written, but it is known that it is multiply. See, if written 3, what is the meaning of this? 3 means what? This is plus 3. This is already, we know this is plus 3. So we don't write the symbol. Okay, like this, if it is written 3 bracket something, that means 3 into something. If there is no symbol, that means into. If there is plus symbol is there, that means we have to add. Okay, no symbol means multiply. So here it is multiplied with 30, so you can write like this, 3 into 30. Okay. Next, divide by 3. Next you have to see in this bracket we have what? Multiplication first. So 3 4s are 12. Okay. Next, addition and subtraction is there. So 17 plus 12 will be what? 29 minus 14. Again you have to solve this bracket. So 29 minus 14 is what? 15. See, rest of the thing will remain same. So I am not telling this one. So rest of the thing will be same. So now what you have to do? See here, 45 plus 3 into 30, divide 3 into 15. So first of all you have to do division. So 30 divided by 3 will be what? 10. So 3 into 10 into what? 15. So this you have to multiply first, because multiplication comes first and then addition. So after multiplying this you will get 450. 450 plus 45 will become 495. So try to do the question, as there are not many questions in exercise 3.2. So go to chapter checkup. Okay, chapter checkup question number 1. Do all questions of chapter checkup question number 1. Okay, so up to this much I have done. In my next class, the next topic will be factor, multiples. Okay, so try to recall the previous terms, and you are having book of your previous class, also previous class mathematics book. So go through that, try to learn about factor and multiples. After solving these questions, try to go to factors and multiple if there is time left. Okay, so try to recall the topics and solve some questions of factors and multiples, like what is LCM, what is HCF. Try to recall that one. Okay, we are going to do word problems. Okay, word problems for HCF and LCM we are going to do in our next lecture. Okay, this much for today. Thank you.